You want to buy a motorcycle, but how are you going to get it home? Maybe the dealership will deliver it. Maybe all you got's the SUV. What are you going to do? You should get one of these things. I got the trucks and stuff, but where I got to go today, I can go faster in this, but... Oh man, big money here. One of these car hitches. Motorcycle carrier. That's pretty damn good. How are you gonna get it home? Today I'm gonna load it up on one of these rear hitch motorcycle ramps. This one, I believe I got from, oh man, I'll have to link on it. It's been a long time I had this. So this says Rage Power Sports. I don't have a clue. I thought it was just Ramps USA or something like that. But this bad boy is 200 pounds. You need a class 5 hitch. At least, I think, I don't know. You might be able to get by with like a class 3, whatever. I don't know the specs on it. But all my vehicles have class 5. And so when I'm not freaking hauling them with the truck, this bad boy is pretty convenient on it. One of the things I did do, because I don't trust some stuff, I did drill a few extra holes for your tie downs if you want to go in there, because that's a little stronger than the little eyelet. But needless to say, I already got mine on there, and I had another one started. So what this does, this is your anti-roll piece. Gonna get the sun in your face. So we'll attach it here and get it cracking. Sorry guys. Catches me doing it here. My particular one is a 17 mil. So you do that, that catches behind it. Hit it. And through your journey though, you gotta go and I would check it again, so you don't. It comes loose a little bit every now and then when you're rolling cross country. So that's on there, and now I'm ready to load this bad boy with one person. So, if I can and you got room, I tend to leave this in my car just because I don't want it to fall off. The wing nuts are pretty darn tight. I can't get it with your hands. I'm about to use it. Big beautiful traveling, and he ain't letting it get lost either. But today's bike, tester bike, is the DRZ. So we're gonna put it on there, see how it goes. Put this back over here so you can see what's going on. Ugly mug. But this thing's been a lifesaver for stuff. I used it on the back of the trucks when I got freaking when I got the stupid when I got the top run with my old brand, like the top run. This little tip. This one. So when I'm ready to go, I can fumble around if you're by yourself. On prettier bikes, I put towels up there and stuff like that. Nothing gets hurt, but I'm only using it right now for test purposes. If I was rolling across country, like I said, I put the drill holes in there just because it's a little better for the other straps I got. So these are soft straps. There's the other ones that choke the bar. Those are really nice too. Keep off your paint. But I'll use these soft straps, and if I need to put a towel, if I was really doing it, I might try to set up on a hill just to make it easier, but for purposes right now, I'm going to do it like this. When I'm rolling, I'm trying to tie the brake on too. I was to be rolling with something other than like my BRP, I would adjust that. Get a couple cranks on it. Go over to this side. I wouldn't say the bike's ready to haul just because I would still put some around the subframe to the back end, or even just one whole one around the back end, crank it all the way down, and then I'd be ready to drive anywhere. So if you're thinking about transporting one of your scooters, you know, these rear hitches are pretty good. And so when I'm ready to roll here, I always like to park it in gear. And they got the brake locks, but I would tie this up. This is a little short for what I want to do here and stuff, but I would lock it in place and put it in gear. And I went and picked up a couple bikes cross country with this bad boy, and you can't even tell the stuff's on the back there. So if you're looking at a hitch rack, this is the way to go. Like I said, for the 17-inch rims, this has got to be up on the front one here, but my buddy was using it, and I think our dual purpose has got 19s or 21s on the front, so this is better for the big, you know, for the bigger rim and stuff. But if I needed to hook my bike up for real, I would have it up there, and that would be it. But yeah, so if you're looking at options to haul your bike, this would be the way to go. And it's simple, you know, and this is a smaller of the bikes. I guess I should do one with the BRP on it, or even just get my stack out here and slam it up there so you can really see, like, one guy could do it on their own, man or woman could do it on your own and stuff. But yeah, I drove all over the country, and again, when you get down here, when I drive across country, you might have to cinch those up just once or twice, but what this does, it helps it from rolling, so you get a twist on it and stuff. But yeah, there you guys go. If you're looking for one, average price is anywhere from $400 to $600, and you know, they work great. So I'll shut up now, and we'll just take it off. You can see how simple it is. I'm gonna do this side first. If you have the ratchet stuff on the top, it's easier too. So I like them this way, but I got to remember that when you pop this, it's gonna lean towards your car. Make sure you're out of gear. Click, click, click. Rock that front brake. We're ready to go chase the sun, guys. Ready to go chase the sun. We all like chasing the sun. Maybe even the moon. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this is an option to get your scooter places when you're traveling across the country and don't want to drive it there. A lot of my bikes are Trailer Queens, so I haul them in different things. Thanks, guys.